Do you know you can make up to $100 in a day by copy and paste YouTube videos? For sure this trick is function very well and very simple to you. There are a lot of YouTubers nowadays they use this method to make thousands of dollars. So, what to do is to stay with me up to the end of this video. I will show you step by step on how to copy and paste YouTube video without copyright and make money. If you have any question, check me in the comment section, I will follow up. This is motivational TV, please subscribe to this channel for more interesting video like this. So let's begin, how to copy and paste YouTube videos and earn money. What all of you have to do is to create a YouTube channel. Basically, we are going to upload Creative Commons motivational workout videos, and then we are gonna make thousands of dollars per month by applying a trick. Create a YouTube channel with a unique name. Hope you know how to create a YouTube channel. If you don't know how to create, check me on a comment, I will help you free. Then customize your YouTube channel. Like upload a professional logo, banner and update descriptions and so on. Also, if you don't know how to customize, don't hesitate to check me in comment, I will help you for free. And if you have any existing channel, then it's okay to go with that one also. So after having YouTube channel, then follow step by step, go to YouTube and search for motivational workout videos. And then click on filter and click on Creative Commons. So these videos are copyright free, we can use these videos without any problem. Download any of these videos with any of your favorite video downloader. But if you need to know how to use video downloader, check me in the comment. Then you can change a little of this video by editing some elements. Like you can change the background music as it can be copyrighted. Then upload it on your YouTube channel with an eye-catching thumbnail and search engine optimization friendly title and tags. And here the tricks came. In the description section, you will have to paste an affiliate link from Amazon, or other online shopping site. Choose any kinds of bodybuilding products and make an affiliate link with that product. People will come to watch your video, and after they see the bodybuilding booster product in the description, they might buy that. Or else there is another trick you can apply which more easy to start with. You can search for bodybuilding tips in Google. Click on the first or any other site which you like. Copy that link and short this copied link with a URL shortener site which will pay you real money when someone will click on that link. Then what? Paste that link on the description of your video with a very catchy title like, see how to make your body fit in just 2 days, or 5 killer tips to make 6 packs quick, and so on. People will click on that link to watch the video and you will be paid. So, what's the conclusion? You are actually able to earn money by 3 ways. First one is the affiliate earning, second one is to shorten URL, and the third one is from YouTube monetization. Well, this will take time to complete the criteria for YouTube partner program. But if you upload 2 or 3 videos daily, then it will be completed overnight. So, that is for today guys, hope you enjoy the video and you follow the step very well, but let me remind you, do not hesitate to check me in the comment, so as I can help you in any question. This is motivational TV, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video.